upbeat tone. Hey there! So you're thinking about building your own home? Awesome! Today, I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to make your dream house a reality. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, planning is key. Grab a notebook or open up your favorite planning app. Sketch out your dream house from the number of rooms to the layout. Don't forget to include essential spaces like the kitchen, bathroom and storage. Next, head down to your local building authority and get all the necessary permits. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. It's crucial for staying on the right side of the law and ensuring safety. Once that's done, it's time to clear and prep your land. Rent or borrow some heavy-duty machinery, or hire a contractor to get the job done. Level the ground and mark the foundation according to your plan. Now for the fun part, laying the foundation. Pour concrete or set up your chosen foundation type. Make sure it's level and sturdy because this is what your entire house will stand on. Let it cure properly before moving on. Framing comes next. This is where your house starts taking shape. Use quality lumber and follow your blueprint to the T. Erect the walls, beams and roof trusses. Secure everything tightly and double-check measurements. With framing done, it's time to install windows and doors. Choose energy-efficient models to save on future builds. Properly seal them to keep out drafts and moisture. Now, move on to the plumbing and electrical work. Unless you're a pro, it's best to hire licensed contractors for this part. They'll ensure everything is up to code and safe for use. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Insulate the walls, hang drywall, and paint your interiors. Install your flooring, cabinetry, and fixtures. Add personal touches that make your house feel like home. And there you have it. Building your own home is a big project, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it totally doable. So, roll up your sleeves and start building your dream house today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.